Hi, my name is Oran from Tulip Remodeling. We're going to show you this ADU 1200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 powder room. The 3 bedrooms going to be located downstairs. We're going to have a full walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Upstairs, we're going to have a kitchen, which is going to be very large, will be open concept. Here, on the left side, we are going to have the dining room and living room area. Powder room will be here upstairs. And here outside, we are going to have some extra outdoor seating. A little bit on the outside, we are going to have wood siding all around the exterior. I'll be very excited to show you the final results of this amazing project. Follow us for more.